Hey, what's up guys? It's Dr. Zed, and in today's video, I'll be going over one of the most common reasons for neck pain. Now, there's a very good chance if you're watching this video right now that you have neck pain yourself. So my job is to tell you why you're probably having this neck pain. So, one of the most common reasons of neck pain is due to posture. In today's society, everyone's always on their phones. Their heads are forward like this. If you look at it from the side, our heads forward like this, and sometimes they even stick out a little bit like this. A lot of chin jutting. Now, the medical term for this condition is known as anterior head carriage, because normally, sitting upright, our heads should be pretty straight. If you're looking at it from the side, it should be pretty straight like this. But because of all this desk work, or even always on our phones, our heads are now forward like this. And in doing so, it places a lot of pressure on our neck muscles and also on our neck joints as well. Now, if we look onto our Essential Anatomy app right here, we can see that we have neck muscles and we have the spine, and I pretty much cut away all of the unnecessary things. So if we look closely here, when our necks are jutting forward, the muscle that tends to take over is known as the sternocleidomastoid. This is a muscle that attaches from your, this is known as the mastoid process on your temporal bone of the skull, and it attaches onto your clavicle as well as your sternum, which is your breastbone right here. So when our necks start to jut forward, this muscle shortens. So when that muscle shortens, it starts to get tight. Now, as a result, when our heads start jutting forward, we want to keep our head level, right? So our heads end up turning like this. They don't just do this, they do this. And when this happens, the muscles on the back of our skulls, right up here, known as our suboccipital muscles, these muscles get tight as well. Because if you think about it, when our head's jutting forward and our head's coming back, these muscles are shortening. So these muscles, as well as the sternocleidomastoid, will become tight, and then they could cause pain. So as a result of this, because if you guys remember from some of my earlier videos, when there are tight muscles, there are always weak muscles that are as a result as well. So when our head goes into the anterior head carriage, our muscles known as the deep neck flexors, if we take a look here, right in there, these guys, the longus colli, and if you actually scoot up even higher, is the longus capitis. So these muscles right here, when our heads are forward like this and the chin kind of tilts up, these muscles are being stretched and they are weak. So how do we fix this? Now, if you watched some of my earlier videos, there was a video known as the Brugger's relief position, which is basically a all-in-one postural corrector. In that video, I said, pull your chin back, kind of retract the chin, almost give yourself a double chin. And that's exactly what I'm going to tell you today. Just do those chin retractions. Now, how to do those properly is you want to, first of all, sit up straight and keep your head level as well. Don't look up, don't look down, or don't look up. And just retract your head this way. Give yourself a double chin. Just kind of pull back like this. I know it might not be the prettiest thing, but if you do it properly, you'll feel a good stretch back here. And that's what you want to start with. Just start stretching these guys back here and start stretching the sternocleidomastoids. And sooner or later, these muscles will start to relax a little bit. And after that is done, we will start working on strengthening the deep neck flexors. And that is a video for another time. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys definitely learned something. So if you enjoy the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, as it really helps encourage me to put out more quality content. And also please consider subscribing and turning on notifications, as that helps YouTube get to know my channel even better. So until next time guys, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay alive.